In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a dispersion effect in Photoshop. So without further ado, let's get started. The model from the background. Select the quick selection tool from here and make a selection of this model. Take your time to make a perfect selection. Once you have done, click on select and mask. In this view mode, choose this one on black and select the second brush, refine edge brush, and start painting over the edges. Now in the output setting, select output to new layer. Now delete this layer, we don't need this anymore. Change the name to model. Now zoom out little bit. Select the crop tool from here and make the canvas bigger like this. Now we need a background. I'm gonna create a gradient background. Click on here and select gradient. In this gradient, you can see a lot of default preset here. I'm gonna choose this one, black and white, and in the style, select radial angle is 90 degree and reverse it. Scale it up and click here and take down little bit. Okay. Now put this layer just below the model layer and change the name to background. Now activate the model layer and press Ctrl J to duplicate it, and let's rename it model again, and this one liquify. Now hide the model layer for now and activate the liquify layer and go to filter, liquify. Select this brush forward warp tool and warp the model like this. Once you have done, click on OK. Now we will apply a negative layer mask to this layer. Click on this layer and hold on Alt and apply a layer mask from here. Now everything is hid under this layer mask. Now make visible the model layer and select this model layer and also add a layer mask. Now click on this mask of this model layer and take the brush tool and right click of your mouse and click on this little gear icon here and load brushes. Now select the brush you have downloaded. The download link of this brush is given in description below, and load. You can see 13 plus brushes are here. I'm gonna choose this one, 1536. Now make sure that your foreground color set to the black, and now start painting like this. Right click of your mouse and you can change the angle of this brush. Now click on the mask of this liquify layer, and this time make sure that your foreground color set to the white. Now right click and change the brush angle, and now start painting like this. Now make the brush bigger using bracket keys, really big, and start painting like this. Make a variation of brush size. Once you are satisfied with the result, now I am gonna add a color adjustment layer. Click on this adjustment layer and select gradient map. There are lot of preset here. I'm gonna choose this one, violet and orange. Change the blend mode to soft light and reduce some opacity like 50%. Here you go. So this is our final output, and hope you enjoy this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.